What happens when AI can do your job faster, cheaper, and better than you? Who still pays you in 2026? If you don't have a clear answer, you're already in danger. The real problem. Look at your screen. That phone, that laptop. They are not tools anymore. They are competitors. AI doesn't sleep. AI doesn't complain. AI doesn't ask for salary. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If your skill can be explained, AI can replace you. Most of what you're learning right now? Dead weight by 2026. Name one skill you have that AI cannot copy in 10 seconds. If you can't, that's a warning. So what actually survives? The divide. AI skills versus human skills. Let's kill confusion. There are two paths in 2026. 1. You control AI. 2. Or AI controls your income. There is no third option. Stop thinking AI versus humans. That's childish. The real game is humans who use AI versus humans who don't. And the gap is brutal. The winners earn more, faster with less effort. The losers work harder for less money. Now I'll show you the skills that print money in 2026 and why. Skill number 1, AI leverage. Forget coding. That's not the flex you think it is. AI doesn't reward builders anymore, it rewards operators. People who know what to ask, how to direct, how to refine, how to deploy. Prompting is not typing, it's thinking clearly under pressure. Here's the truth. AI is powerful, but it's dumb without direction. If you can turn vague ideas into exact instructions, you win. Open ChatGPT. Give it one clear instruction to solve a real problem you face today. No fluff, no essays. That ability alone puts you ahead of 80%. But AI leverage alone isn't enough. Skill number 2, clear communication. AI can write, AI can speak, but AI cannot decide what matters. Money flows to clarity. If you can, explain complex ideas simply, speak with confidence, hold attention, you dominate. That's why. Creators win, closers win, leaders win. Here's the story. A 19-year-old with average intelligence, no degree, no connections. He learned one thing, how to explain ideas clearly on camera. He used AI to research, script, edit. But the voice, the conviction, the presence, human. In 12 months, he out-earned engineers twice his age. Not because he was smarter, because he was clearer. Explain what you do in one sentence without sounding confused. If you can't, money avoids you. Now it gets serious. Skill number 3, decision-making under uncertainty. AI gives options. You choose. That's the separation. In 2026, everyone has information. Almost no one has judgment. The market rewards people who decide fast, accept risk, adjust quickly. Overthinking is poverty behavior. AI can simulate outcomes. It cannot feel consequences. You can. That's power. Make one uncomfortable decision today, not tomorrow, today. Momentum respects action, but there's one skill above all. Skill number 4, attention control. This one decides everything. If you cannot control your attention, you are already owned. AI competes for focus, apps compete for dopamine, content competes for your mind. The people who win in 2026 can focus deeply, learn fast, execute without distraction. That's why discipline is not motivation, it's a financial strategy. AI amplifies focus, it punishes distraction. Turn off notifications for 24 hours. Watch how weak your urge to escape really is. Now let's flip the lens. What skills die by 2026? Let's be honest, these skills collapse. Basic data entry, repetitive design, generic writing, low-level freelancing. If your work looks like a template, AI already replaced you. Stop lying to yourself. Hard work without leverage is slavery. The market doesn't care how long you worked. It only cares how hard you are to replace. So what's the winning formula? The human plus AI stack, the winning combo. Here's the stack that dominates. 1. Human judgment. 2. Human communication. 3. AI execution. 4. Relentless consistency. AI handles speed, you handle direction. AI handles volume, you handle meaning. This is how one person does the work of 10, not by grinding, by thinking better. Write down one task you repeat weekly. Ask, how does AI remove 80% of this? If you don't do this, someone else will, and take your spot. Now the final truth. 2026 doesn't reward effort. It rewards adaptability. Your degree won't save you. Your excuses won't save you. Your comfort definitely won't save you. AI will not destroy humanity. It will expose it. Some will rise fast. Most will stay stuck. The difference is simple. Who decided early and who waited too long? You're not behind, but you're on the clock. Choose one skill from this video, commit to 30 days, no distractions, no excuses. That decision alone changes your trajectory. AI isn't your enemy, your hesitation is. Use AI, sharpen human skills, move now. Because in 2026, there are two types of people, those who adapted and those who watched. Choose carefully.